the reflecting pool in the ballroom. I don't care about those things. I think it's entirely appropriate. I mean, I think I've seen a picture, assuming that it's not AI. So far the reflecting pool looks good. But if that's $13 million, that's really that's small.
Yeah. What's going on?
I think President Obama correctly, he invested $34 million to make some upgrades. I mean, America's turning 50 years old. Why wouldn't we want to make sure everything looking great?
Right.
And now we do need a ballroom. We do. I mean,
What?
I really, I think we have, much bigger fish to fry. So I'm saying build it or not. And that's where I'm at. But not just because the president asks for one doesn't mean I'm going to oppose it necessarily.
Well, we're going to be.
I feel like I'm going mad.